SMG7000 power quality analyzer produced by Wuhan UHV. It is a high-precision testing instrument used specifically to detect power quality issues such as distortion, harmonics, voltage flicker, three-phase imbalance, etc. that occur in the power grid. It can accurately measure various electrical parameters such as voltage, current, active power, reactive power, phase angle, power factor, and frequency. Also in display vector diagrams of the measured voltage and current. And can determine whether the equipment wiring is correct by analyzing the vector diagram. Today we'll use this instrument to conduct a test on this three-phase programmable power supply. Test its voltage, current, and phase. There are a total of 7 ports on the upper end of the instrument. The top 3 ports are current testing ports. It corresponds to ABC current clamp. Directly connected to the tested end. Just connected directly to the port here. Below are the voltage ports. It's also yellow, green, red, A, B, C, and then at a 0 position. Clamp the current clamp onto the current output line. The current clamp should clamp in the direction of the current passing through. The voltage port is directly plugged into the voltage output ports A, B, and C. This is a three-phase programmable standard power supply. The current setting is phase A, which is 57.7 volts. B phase is also 57.7 volts. C phase is also 57.7 volts. The current is 1.5 amperes, 1.5 amps for each phase. Click to start. The instrument has started outputting. The above display shows that the instrument has already output. Above are its current and voltage. Below is the phase. A direct energy measurement of electrical energy quality. Power test interface for testing. Instrument startup. Enter the main interface. Firstly, there is a parameter setting interface. The parameter setting interface can set PT ratio and CT ratio. Other parameters such as wiring method, current input, rated voltage, short circuit capacity, power supply capacity, protocol capacity, etc. can be set. If testing is to be conducted. Now enter the vector testing interface. Electrical testing interface. Now the power supply has successfully output a voltage of 57 volts, a current of 1.5 amps, and phase. It should be noted that there may be some errors displayed now. If there is an error in the current, it is necessary to ensure that its current line is in the middle of the current clamp. This way, it will be more precise. It is displayed in real time. After the test is completed, you can exit this interface. Then enter vector analysis. In vector analysis, we can also see voltage, current, and phase, represented through graphs. Then enter the harmonic testing interface. The harmonic testing interface will also display voltage and current. In addition, it will also display the harmonic content in the voltage and current signals of various items. TDH is the waveform distortion rate of various voltages or currents. RMS is the effective value of various voltages and currents. Enter the next spectrum analysis. On this interface, the waveform of harmonics can be displayed. It can display various voltage and current parameters, and its harmonic bar chart. Then the percentage of harmonic content, harmonic distortion, and other indicators. To judge the quality of voltage or current electrical energy based on this. Need attention. If conducting harmonic or flat spectrum testing, we need to add a special signal cable plugged in at the top. Return. Now enter the CT variable ratio interface. It should be noted that testing of primary and secondary currents indicated on the screen. The clamp that should be used is Use a C-phase medium clamp meter for primary current. Secondary current using a small clamp meter with 5 amperes phase A. The clamp gauge must not be used incorrectly. A medium or large pliers meter must be used to measure the primary current. Otherwise, it will exceed the current range of the instrument itself. Then enter return. Enter the historical data interface. On the historical data interface, you can press F1 to view the electrical parameters at a certain time, including various voltage and current, zero sequence voltage and current, positive sequence voltage and current, negative sequence voltage and current, as well as imbalance degree. After the testing is completed, then turn off the instrument.